Understanding Warehouse Structure in SAP EWM. Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss the warehouse structure within EWM. The warehouse structure is essential for organizing operations and ensuring efficient management of resources. In SAP EWM, the warehouse is broken down into several key components: storage types, storage sections, storage bins, activity areas, and work centers. First, let's talk about storage types. A storage type represents the largest physical or logical area in the warehouse. Different storage types cater to different types of goods. For instance, high rack storage may be used for larger items, while bulk storage is used for smaller items stored together. Storage types help define where goods should be placed, depending on their size or other specific requirements. Storage sections are subdivisions within storage types. They help categorize items further, organizing them based on specific characteristics such as movement speed or product type. For example, fast-moving products might be placed in a section close to shipping areas, while slower-moving items can be stored in less accessible areas. Moving down to the next level, we have storage bins, which represent the physical locations within the warehouse where products are placed. Each bin has a unique identifier, making it easy to locate items and track their movement within the warehouse. Storage bins are crucial for the efficient retrieval of goods and for keeping accurate inventory. Activity areas group storage bins according to specific warehouse tasks, such as picking or put away. By grouping related bins into activity areas, workers can perform tasks in a more organized and efficient manner. Finally, work centers are specific areas in the warehouse where tasks like packing or deconsolidation take place. In the next video, we will dive into the concept of master data and its importance in SAP EWM.